Here's our turkey breast, ready to go. So we've got all that trimmed. Okay, that's the cavity. Got some butter to go into it, and also some chestnut stuffing. So let's get going with it. So first of all, up on there, put my hand in, and then we're just going to ease the skin away. Okay, just like that. Okay, and then I'm going to take the butter, put it up inside. Okay, a bit that side, a bit this side. Okay, so I'm going to push that all the way up. And that as well. Okay, you can just push that down, push that around, right, just to even it all out. Okay, then open it up, so and then we're going to get that into there. Okay, put that in. Okay, fold that over. And then basically we're going to season that, and that's all ready to roast.